Okay guys, here is our project for today. It is our Introduction to Texture project. We are going to make a popsicle picture where you guys are going to show me that you can demonstrate how to make bumpy texture, sharp texture, smooth texture, and rough texture. All right, so to start, we're going to get a sheet of paper, and you guys are going to fold your paper in half like a hot dog, and then fold it in half like a hamburger, so you end up with 4 boxes. All right, I'm going to use a marker so that you guys can more easily see what I am doing, and I'm going to trace my lines, and then I'm going to label each section. So I'm going to label it bumpy, B-U-M-P-Y, sharp, S-H-A-R-P, smooth, S-M-O-O-T-H, and rough, R-O-U-G-H. And then I'm gonna make my popsicle, my line at the bottom, my big upside down like U shape, and then my stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all 4 of my boxes. These are looking like fudgesicles today, which is totally fine. All right, so I have my 4 popsicles. Now you can choose to do any colors you want. If you want to keep it simple and just do one color, that is your choice. Just for fun, I'm going to just use a few different colors on my popsicle designs, but it's anything you want. So I'm going to start with some pink for my bumpy. Now bumpy is anything that has curves. So it could be like simple curves like this. It could be like loop-de-loops. I always think this one's like a roller coaster. It could be polka dots, because that would be bumpy. It could be kind of like a bouncy, I think of Tigger. Maybe even just simple colored in polka dots. That's all considered bumpy. And I'm gonna color my stick in nice and solid. All right. The next one is sharp. Sharp is gonna be the opposite of bumpy, where bumpy is smooth, like more like rounded. Sharp is gonna have points. So like zigzag line with these points. X's, hard lines that have the point. A Z, we could have kind of like a snowflake because it has all those points. How about one more? Oh, how about like a lightning bolt? There you go. And then again, I'm going to color in my popsicle stick. Okay, next one is smooth. Smooth, again, is nice and calm. It's like our table. So smooth could be a straight line. Smooth could be a very subtle curved line. Smooth could be like a broken line. Smooth could be kind of like a puddle looking shape. Smooth could just be a whole bunch of lines kind of by each other. Smooth is just supposed to be calm. It's not supposed to be very exciting. It's kind of basic, okay? The opposite of that then is when we do rough. Rough is going to be a lot more intense. So it's not gonna have just straight lines like this. We would have to turn that into something where there's a whole lot going on. This design right here reminds me of like a box ceiling fan. We talked about concrete. So concrete, to make it rough, it would have more aggressive. It's not simple polka dots like we did up here in bumpy. It's a lot more forceful, and so they're not perfect circles. They're more almost like lines with it. We also could have a more intense zigzag, and then maybe come in and duplicate it, and it just looks very full and busy. And then just basically maybe like a checkerboard could be considered rough. And then again, coloring our popsicle stick. So these are the 4 textures you guys are going to demonstrate today: bumpy, sharp, smooth, and rough. So for your assignment for this first day of the first week of this new session, you are going to demonstrate 4 textures on 4 popsicles. And then I need you guys to take a picture of it and upload it to your It's Learning, or you can email it to me if that was easier. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.